Yeah, before I turn this on, I might need help wiring this thing here with the bass sounder.
Yeah, what about the bass sounder?
Oh, I need to know how to wire it. I mean, I've
Say
already got the loop in position, but
you
just need
don't
to be sure.
you don't wire anything into the detector base. It wires all into them terminal blocks on the bass sounder. You just ignore the detector. You only need the red and black from the sounder base.
I'll just have to take the bass off first.
Yeah, I'll put my name into mine now.
Does it not connect into the detector base thing? Just the wires from the sounder?
So just them wires from the sounder that connect into the detector base, and that's it. I'm going to have to try and fix that. There's quite a considerable dent inside of this panel. Nothing an hammer will fix.
I just don't know what goes where.
Around here. I was hoping my Nittan loop card would arrive. Wow, panel cases.
What?
Strip the table and then just slice me knuckle on the case. Grab it up. Card number 2. Remove that card.
You've seemed to have gone, a lot quiet again. I can't understand you anymore.
Oh, that's probably because I'm behind the panel at the moment.
Oh, yeah. Okay.
I've just taken number 2.
Yeah, that should do the trick.
I don't know. I don't know what I'll have time for here. I'm all just focused on getting the thing back set and getting me familiar with the menus. Because I've never worked on a ZX5 before, so I don't know what I'm working with there. I'll just wing it around the menus and just see what I can figure out. Shouldn't be too difficult. Yeah, I'm nearly ready to go in all camera. Mains is wired into mine anyway now. Put batteries in it afterwards.
Why is this bass sound so hard to wire? Oh man, this is difficult. It's ridiculous. Just in case.
Hello.
I can even hear you this time.
I'm having a lot of internet issues as we speak. But anyways,
I'm having other issues.
what do you mean?
But it's okay. I'm getting the bass end all wired. It's just
Oh.
very difficult. That's all.
It's not.
It is. It's more difficult than any other base sounding I've used. In fact, I'm disconnecting the base. That's what's making it difficult.
Yeah, but you're not supposed to leave the base on. You take the base off.
I see how maybe the newer version improved the design, I suppose. But I don't know. I think this one probably potentially sounds better. That's all. It's just difficult to work with.
I don't know. I really do not like the sound of them old ones. They sound weird.
Well, they sound better than you wind them up. Was it that terminal I took it out of?
I'm ready to power on the panel now, so I'm going to turn mine on.
I'll be ready to turn mine on in a minute, I'm sure.
No, it's not booting. That's not a good sign. Why have I not got any noises or power of any sort? Is that fuse blown?
Apparently the base just...
That is a blown
base
fuse.
just slips on just like that.
This is interesting. This is a blown fuse. That's concerning me already. Why is this fuse? Ow!
What?
I just whacked the ankle against the other panels. The mystery panel.
Oh yeah, the mystery.
The mystery panel. Well. Why is that fuse? Oh, that fuse went bang with quite a pop as well. That's not good. Right, so let's put. I'm going to put a. What amperage is this? 10 amp. That's a little overkill, but do you know what? Screw it. It'll work. That's all I've got on hand right now. Alright, what I'll do, I'll unplug the panel. I'll put this fuse in. And then I'll plug the panel in because I don't want to plug the fuse in and just something go bang. So already my first bit of concern now is why was that fuse blown, but this might change from a ZX on my part to somebody else. That's just...
What does that say? It's blurred out.
It says, please start Urian webcam. Don't worry about it. It's just,
well, at least I can
just-
hear you.
it's my,
I still can't read. Oh, hang on. It's starting to show through. Please.
But I don't think this Morley works.
is it not turning on when you put power to it?
Yeah.
Put batteries on it.
Why?
Put batteries on the PSU. It doesn't start without batteries. I found this out.
Should I do the
Wait,
same
it doesn't
with one?
start. It doesn't start without batteries, or it doesn't start.
Doesn't start without them. It needs batteries.
That is freaking strange. Right. Okay.
I don't think that's how it's meant to be. I think the power supply is on its way out.
Well, there's only one thing for it. Then.
Yeah, batteries. Oh my gosh, those are some beefy batteries.
Please, I think with a Pathfinder. This is an absolute mess.
It doesn't. Are those 6-volt batteries?
Yep.
Well, that makes a bit of sense then. Are you using the 10 looper?
I haven't even worked out where these go.
Can you show me what you're doing currently? Because I can only really see the floor.
Yeah,
Like in the panel.
you can only go so far. Really.
Where the hell are my other battery leads? Oh, there.
Are you able to aim up? Yeah, there we go. So, are you doing the top? Are you powering on the top of the bottom one?
Well, I think they're supposed to power on with
Okay,
just one.
Your
lens.
panel might turn on without batteries. I I know.
And
It's just with
that
James's
I wired the
ZX5C.
mains into that one. This one
Yeah.
already has.
It just
terminal.
it's just jumping in. So at this point, if you have the wires, if you have the devices connected, just turn it on and see if it turns on. It might take a bit.
Okay, yeah. Hang on.
It's gonna beep loudly, mind.
Well, that doesn't seem like anything unusual.
My internet died.
Yeah.
Ah, there we are. It's on.
So you might want to give it AC before you drain your batteries.
Well,
Just plug mine in first. And then,
48 hours. I don't think it's going to drain me batteries.
shall I see if it works?
That's gonna have all my device config on it. I'm pretty sure.
It's lit up like a Christmas tree. Right, so let's.
It's going to still be open, so
Are you plugging it in, Matthew?
yeah.
Okay.
See if it works. No, you're right. There is no booting without batteries.
Yeah, I think it's just the power supplies. They need like an extra like incentive to turn on.
Let's just disconnect it again and then just.
Lad, what's your password on there?
Commissioning or regular
Commissioning.
9898.
Why the hell's it 9898?
Well,
Because that's the default Morley. That's the default Morley commissioning code.
It's not. It's 7104.
Well, that's for the newer Morleys.
That's
I've
weird.
heard of 7104.
All the Morleys I've owned have been 9898.
Yeah, the new ones are, but the ZXs, all the ZXs, well, the ZXEs anyway, and the ZXEs were 7104.
Search
right,
it up. The default code is 9898.
I can remember there was a way. This panel does not have function keys on it. Right, that's a bit strange. I can't remember. How do you factory reset these? It's in memories locked. Okay, that helps if I unlock
There's a little,
that.
yeah, there's a little switch by there. Just flip it.
Yeah, I know. Set of options English. Let's see if we got Apollo, right? Okay.
I think a disadvantage. I'm going to need 4 batteries for this. And
I mean,
only
if
2
you
of them
you can
will
you
actually
can
be
start
working.
with only turning on one panel.
You turn on both panels at once.
Yeah, but the other one won't be turning on without batteries either way. So if you just put batteries on the one panel, then you can.
There we
test
are.
One panel.
Yeah, this is the weird thing about these panels, how you factory reset. And why is my camera like this?
Oh yeah, you go in. I think you go into time and date.
Time and date, and then you press that weird button there, and then it's
It's your system. Yeah, I had to do
system.
this when I first got it.
yeah, and then there we are. That's weird. Right, it's time to get my laptop.
Bear in mind, there's a TTL, not RS-232 like the new ones. They need TTL.
It doesn't matter. It's on the same programming lead.
The dongle, really.
It's same thing.
What am I supposed to do with these connectors here?
It doesn't.
Oh,
They've always been TTL. These panels.
Matthew, evidently they had absolutely massive batteries on that to the point where they had bolt-on terminals instead of slide-on. See if the bottom panel has anything different.
Well, it should have the same ones, I'm sure. There's only one connector on it.
The bottom panel probably. Okay. If you want, just you can like use a pair of like vice grips or something to hold the terminals onto the batteries, or you can cut the connector off, strip the wire, and just wrap the wire around the terminal for now.
There we are. I've managed to unflip my camera now. Right, so what I'll do, I don't have much in terms of device into this, but I don't actually I don't really have much time anyway. So, what I'm going to do, I'm just going to loosely chuck an Apollo loop on it. Well, I say an Apollo loop, more like an Apollo line, because it's just these two. I'll just throw that.
Is that an interface?
That is an interface, yeah.
I haven't turned on my Morley in a while, and knowing how problematic the PSUs are, probably should. The PSUs are probably just as bad as the Vigilon compact PSUs.
Just Vigilons in general, they're an awful system then.
Well, I've got a Vigilon up currently, and it's been doing all right.
Yeah, Vigilons should just be scrapped. We just need to scrap Gen in general.
Gen is, if you take it at face value, it's like a really high-end system when it's done correctly.
It just needs to be eradicated. The two companies that just need to be blown off the face of the earth are Siemens and Gen.
Oh no, the two companies that be blown off the face of the earth is Verisure and Siemens.
Oh yes, and ACO too.
And Fike as well. Screw Fike.
And yeah, definitely Fike.
I mean, the older Fike panels are good, but the new Fike stuff is crap.
I don't know. Are the older Fike panels any better?
Yeah, because EL, that's why.
I see.
Why is it beeping at me? What's its problem now?
It does that when you leave it in commission mode. It's really annoying. All the Morleys do it.
Yeah, sorry. I know that. I literally have been playing around for the past couple of days with the 60E, which is pretty good. This panel with a different screen. I didn't think it was the same.
Yeah, I didn't think my old Morley would end up in the hands of James.
Well,
What is it, James?
I've got two Morleys that you've owned.
Oh yeah, because you've got my DX1E as well.
Yeah, but technically that was mine originally.
Yeah, now he's got two Morleys that I briefly owned as well.
And I've got three more Morleys as well, a Plus, a Max, and a DXC.
Well, the only Morley I own is a ZX1 SE that was given to me by Matthew in exchange for the ZX5 SE, and well, I guess it wasn't really an exchange. Matthew just kind of gave me them.
Well,
yeah. Yeah, I'm just going to say as well, thanks to Matthew for the this panel.
Likewise, but
so right, let's go configure loop one. Oh no! I don't want to do that. No, back, no.
I'm probably going to end up wasting time just trying to get the batteries connected.
I'm not sure why they put those on the end of them. It's not usually the case. Those aren't usually on the end of there.
I'm just glad I pre-wired this system, including to the mains.
And in a moment, it will be computer time.
Well, hopefully not for me, it won't. I'm sure.
You can't. You don't even have the programming lead for it.
I don't have the programming lead. Do I?
You don't even specifically need a dongle. You just need a USB to TTL. I mean, that's how I configured it. That's how I configured that panel.
Minor problem. My loop is into the panel, and it has not found any of these devices.
Oh, you know what? You need to like basically auto learn the panel, not auto learn loop, auto learn the panel, because you've just reset it. It doesn't know the loops are there. So if you go into commission and I think it's setup.
Yeah, it is in. It's in setup options. Quantity of loop cards one. Yeah. I was in here though. It does know the loops there.
Oh well, it doesn't actually know the loops there. It just got those down for some reason. I had the same issue when I first reset it. It was like, oh, it's not learning the devices. Is the loop dead or something? No, it just turns out I needed to auto learn the
peripheral. Auto learn. There we are.
It wouldn't be peripherals. I don't think.
Yeah, I remember something like this on the XLS. I remember something like this on the XLS.
Well, the XLS is basically just a ZX5 SE, but with but like European market.
Yeah, it's not. It's got a completely different power supply in it as well.
How's the batteries coming along, Matthew?
Well, I just stripped the top panel.
Yeah, the devices are polished.
This thing's full of over.
I see. When you're twisting the cables around the terminals of the batteries, make sure you don't accidentally short out the batteries, because those big batteries will provide quite the show of sparks.
Well, yeah. The odds of that happening,
I mean, when you're working with bare copper, there is some odds.
There we are.
I mean, if
It just wanted an auto learn on the peripherals to find it. I remember this with the XLS. I had the same problem with that. Right, so let's come out of there. I want to go 3 normal.
yeah, the door on that ZX5 SE, I really didn't like the door on that thing. I don't know why I paid 260 Great British pounds for that panel right there that you're in front. That's in front of you, James.
Yeah, well, I paid 400 and something for this.
Yeah, so you basically paid double what I paid, but it kind of makes sense because you've got 2 panels basically.
Yeah, indeed.
I got the config switch fault when the config switch is locked.
This will just be.
Well, just reset the panel again.
Eventually, I'll properly connect this to it.
So let's set it off now.
Let's see if this powers it on.
Should see the input. Wow, that's taking a while.
If you want, Matthew, next time you're in Newport, I can make you up some battery leads to go on both the Morleys.
Yeah. That's easy. Should I just power it on the mains at the same time as this?
What is it?
Or should I power the panel on at the same time as batteries are connected?
The panel should be on right now.
Well, it isn't. I don't think.
Is that white wire at the back? Is it bridging the connections?
So, open circuit fault on the loop. Where's that stemming from? Well, let's test the I/O module. Will the I/O go off?
Is that white cable at the back? Is it on the terminals, or is it fallen off?
Should be on.
Open circuit fault. I bet it's in this base here for the find the base.
Can you show me the bottom of the power supply, like where all the cables go into it?
Yeah, it is. One of the wires has popped out the Wago. Good old Wagos.
I don't see anything out of the ordinary.
There we are.
I guess I should probably connect the lower panel as well then.
Well, it should have turned on when you connected the batteries.
Yeah, we don't know.
It probably is because the panel's been left off for so long. These Morleys are known for doing this. But just leave the batteries connected to the top panel because it may decide it wants to turn on soon.
Well, I'll connect to the main, see what happens.
Yeah, connect to the mains.
Right, I'll reset the panel. See what comes back. I'm worried that I've auto learned that with the circuit fault.
No, it's still not doing anything.
Just leave it for a bit and see if. Do you see the big ribbon cable going to the front to the door of the panel? Is that connected?
Yeah.
Okay. Can you make sure all the terminal blocks on the bottom of the panel are pushed into the headers?
Which terminal blocks?
The green ones on the bottom of the circuit board, not the bottom panel, the top panel. But the terminal blocks on the bottom of the circuit board on the top panel. Make sure all of those are pushed in correctly.
Right. I've plugged my PC into it now, and I'm just going to quickly configure this. It is
seems a bit
so
warm.
bigger stuff front end, so for a PC than it is front end. I want fire 0.29. I want to set that to 5 loop, Apollo.
Do you know if those batteries are charged, Matthew?
Well, I would have thought this
point.
mains would be charging it.
Well, it needs the battery voltage first to turn on.
Well, they're the only working batteries I've got.
Are they charged?
They should be.
Hmm.
Have you got a multimeter to hand to test it?
No.
Right. Right, let's go. Configure PC, connect, searching for panel. There we are. It's panel transfer. Yeah. Right.
What it is, it's, the power supplies are known for doing this. They just kind of, if they're left off for too long, they don't like to turn on. I'm sure there's a way. There's a way to get it to turn on, but
the weird thing is, my XLS panel's got a completely different power supply in it, and that'll power just off mains.
well, the thing is, once you've given the panel batteries and you put mains to it, usually you can then take the batteries away and it'll be fine.
Well, shall I disconnect the batteries then?
My God, this is
You
painful.
can disconnect the batteries, but see, the thing is, I don't think it's going to do anything. You could just leave mains on. If you just leave mains on and just let it sit with mains on, it might come to life.
Yeah, for how long?
Just leave it for like as just for I don't know, a while.
Do you not have to put panel menu or anything to?
You what?
Just leave it. Give it power for a while.
Yeah, well, the mains are still on.
Right. You see the IEC plug going into the top of the power supplies. The black plug.
Yeah.
Make sure those are pushed in as well.
Well, they look like they're pushed in.
If you just give them like a little push from the top.
I don't really want to touch them because they're live.
Well, it's they're insulated. The black. If you touch the black anywhere on the black, it's safe to touch.
Yeah, what about the metal power supply itself?
That would be earthed, so it'll be safe to touch. Just don't stick your fingers in the vents.
I don't trust myself for
that. Wow, this is slow. I have never known a panel besides Kentex, but the only other panel that I know that is this slow at taking it download. Jesus. This is painful. Oh my God, how am I only up to 46%?
It's downloading a lot of points.
It's downloading nothing. It's got one loop on it. It's literally just got 3 devices on it now. The factory reset and re-auto learned now, so it should not be struggling this hard. What I'll do, I'll quickly put a banner on the quickly. My God, this panel can go to all 400 zone LEDs. Wow. This panel, the Apollo protocol panel, and have the XLS as the Nittan protocol panel.
Matthew,
What?
do you have a 24-volt power supply?
What kind?
Just any power supply that puts out 24 volts DC.
I do have one, but I'll have to do crew things to get it out.
Which one is it?
The Power Blaster.
Well, if it's 24 volts DC, then you can just put it into the terminal on the Morley and power it that way.
What about them batteries I give you?
The what?
You know them batteries I give you for the XFP?
Will they be good enough for this?
Yeah. Well, anything would be good enough.
Yeah, it doesn't need much.
Hmm.
Not like it's drawing a ridiculous amount. You've no loop. Well, you've got loops on it, but it's only. It's not like you're in a massive site there. You can just stick them small batteries on it because they'll be charged.
Yeah. Okay. Well, shall I just put it on the lower panel?
Which panel are you prioritizing turning on?
Well, they're both connected to the same lanes.
Yeah, but only one of them are going to turn on at once.
Yeah, they've both got separate power supplies.
Yeah, well, there's a wire connected in both mains terminal between the two panels.
Yeah, see, the thing is, both panels be getting mains, but the power supplies for some reason aren't turning on unless they have batteries. I mean, mine did the same thing. So whichever panel has batteries will be the one that turns on first, and then you can move the batteries over. Which panel do you want to turn on first, the Nittan or the Apollo?
Well, I'll get the C-Tech batteries and
get the C-Tech batteries.
Connect them to the Nittan panel.
All right.
Well, I mean, I've already connected the bigger batteries to the Apollo side.
Well, the reason we're saying get the XFP batteries is because the big batteries may be discharged. They may not have any charge.
I'm going to power point on zone 1 and the detector on zone 3. So I'm just going to put sounder left on the call is just OPT and the MCP is MCP. Oh well, the IO module, I'm just going to name that MCP because it's all that's doing is just being an MCP monitor module. So let's go into site configuration, customer name, project number. That's not what I want to change. I want to go into edit zone. Not in the bottom of it. Oh wait, no, it's no, it's a different one. I'm thinking that you change it in zone text. Which one was it on this that we changed the panels? Was it customer name? I can't. Is it customer name?
What are you trying to do? Are you trying to set the front banner?
Yeah.
Yeah, it's customer name.
Yeah, I thought. Do you know what? Actually, I'm just going to import the file from the other panel.
On the X there.
Panel, so open. Yeah, I'm just going. Did I save it to documents? Or did I save it to where is it saving these files? I don't think I actually saved the file. Never mind. I didn't save the files. Customer name.
It works now.
So that one's working.
What was it? It's gone off. I can't keep the connector on. I plugged in the C-Tech batteries in the Nittan side.
And it's come on. That probably means the big batteries are discharged.
Yeah. Hold them batteries on for like just about 30 seconds to give the post fly time to kick in on the mains. And what we kick...
strip this.
Just hold the batteries. Just hold the cable to the
Make
batteries
sure it
for a
stays
second.
on.
You don't need to keep it on there forever.
Right. Done that, mate. Right. So, what I'll do is I'll go. That's ready to be uploaded to the panel now. So configure panel, transfer. This will overwrite existing. And now for this painfully slow process, it'll eventually work. Also, I'm pretty sure you can't change the tone on these sounders on the Morleys.
Are you stripping wires with
Yes.
a knife?
Yeah.
I mean, not that weird, but I've never seen somebody do it before.
Well, I've never seen anyone do anything else with. Well, it's all I've got anyway.
I've got wire strippers I usually use. You should probably invest in a pair because they're like really good.
You know what are you?
Well, no, they're auto wire strippers.
I've never liked them. I think the
Panel on, yeah, I can see the green LED. Okay, so this panel's on now. You can see if you look at the door, it'll probably be saying.
Okay, okay. The top one's dead, but the bottom one's powered on.
Yeah,
the typical Morley buzzer.
Yeah, if you unplug those batteries now, it would stay on, so you can start the top.
Well, it might stay on. We don't know if the power supply is on mains yet. You can mute the buzzer. The code should be 1234.
I can't even get to it. I'm so confined. No, it's not off again.
The battery's disconnected and the panel turned off. That's not good. The power supply is evidently having issues. Is the power on? Yeah, Matthew, check if the fuses are blown.
How am I supposed to do that?
Well, if they're glass fuses, just take them out of our carrier and look at them, see if they're connected or not.
Upload. Right, so that's what we're going. That's what we're going
Now I can close it.
I just realised. Let me do that with the memory blocks. That's confusing.
Yeah, if you click the check key now.
That hasn't done that. Wait. Yeah, that hasn't actually took the download. That's weird. That because the banner's not changed.
So, what am I supposed to do now? Only the bottom panel is powered.
Have you got any devices on the bottom panel?
Just the sensor tank.
Is the loop card Nittan?
Yeah.
Okay. So open the panel door, and if you look at the card that is sideways compared to the other one, the card that is sideways compared to like the main big one.
What are you talking
See
about?
it? The smaller card on the side. Look at the side of the panel. You see that one there? See if there's a little switch. Not on the network card, on the CPU card. It's the one on the left side.
1 second. Let me flip my camera around. It's that little switch there next to where you plug your PC in.
I mean this.
Yeah, the brown one. Flick that down. Is it flick down?
Transfer
Okay,
complete.
there you go. So now you can close the
What does
panel
that
door.
do?
It opens the memory so you can auto learn the panel.
Yeah, but the top one's still not powered on.
Yeah, don't worry about the top one for now.
It's gone dark.
So if you click the check mark
Which
on the
one's that?
keypad, oh, you can see there's an X and there's a check mark.
We've all got buzzers going now.
I don't hear yours though.
No, I've just silenced mine.
You see, you see the bottom, the three bottom keys. Click the one that's all the way on the right. Now click. Now put in 1, 2, 3, 4.
What's AC fight? Oh yeah. But
Yeah, the
radio's on.
ACs. Yeah, the power supply isn't working correctly. It seems. Put 1, 2, 3, 4 in.
Why is my sound in? Wow, that took a while.
Now click 1 for commission. And enter 9898. And
No.
are you in commission mode? Click
What
1.
Commission mode, yes.
Wait, what does alarm sequence? Why have I got? Why is it giving me a count like a timer?
They all do that. Click 1, Matthew.
Not my other panel. That's something new.
Now, if you just click 1 again for loop 1,
Yeah, it should be.
and you do auto learn,
Free.
which is free, and then it asks you if it should do it, press the check mark.
This one.
Yep.
At least the buttons are a bit more sensitive than the ZX5 SE I had.
The ZX5 SE buttons wear out really quickly.
Is this a bit
And
new
on the
or-
panel James now has, I constantly missed buttons. They just didn't register sometimes.
So what's happening now?
Well, it's finding all the addressable devices.
There's only one device connected.
It should still find it.
Panel and commissioning mode. Notice this is 0 of everything, including optical.
Well, that's.
Is there
Are
something
you
else I
sure
need to
that?
do?
Oh, the panel's just turned off.
Maybe the batteries have run out.
They might
Or
have.
it's disconnected. Well, then it's no good. Hey, there's nothing I can do about it. The mains
Well,
is fine,
open
batteries are
the
dying.
panel.
Wait, my
Yeah.
own, wait, you know, that plug is definitely working.
A what?
Like,
Yeah, are you sure the plug that you have connected is definitely working?
Well, I only have a way of actually checking if it's actually working. I just wired it in and turned it on.
If we can't get this working, do you want to drive with the panel to me and I can try help you out?
I suppose.
So obviously, like, whenever you want to, but see, did the bottom panel batteries disconnect, or have they run out?
No, they're still on. They're probably just disconnected.
Right, so can you show me the plug that you're using?
Well, it's not really working anyway. There's no point leaving it in. Who is that?
It's that plug there, is it? And how is it going into the panel? Well, that's all correct. I'm wondering if the fuse is blown.
Oh.
Yeah, in the plug or in the panel.
Oh, this is what connects to it. How do I know if it's gone though?
Well, they only real weight. Well, what you can do is touch your finger to the one side of the fuse. Like take the fuse out of the carrier. Touch your finger to the one side of the fuse, and then touch the other side to your phone screen. And if it presses the screen, then the fuse is good.
Yeah, well, I've done that with working fuses before. It never worked.
It works for fuses with me.
I can't remember.
Well, my Morley is just being very, very slow, as usual.
Well, that's just how things are with Morleys. They're very big panels.
Yeah, the fuse is fine. It actually does contact the screen.
Yeah, well.
This one is anyway. There's probably one more fuse.
Check the fuse in your plug. And did you have it plugged into an extension lead or into the wall?
Just into the wall.
And the switch was on, definitely.
Yeah.
Right.
I'm gonna turn on my Morley just to keep it.
Well, I've got the Morley on now, so I've got that all set up now. So sound alarms.
Yeah, the lower fuse is good as well. I think now it's down to the plug itself.
It could be the plug, or it could be those power supplies.
It could well be the power supplies because the power supplies are old at this point. Very old.
Honeywells are known for it as well. Honeywells are just no talk.
Doesn't mean we can't repair it though. I can.
I can't exactly repair it right now.
Yeah, not right now. We can keep trying a couple other things, see if they work. But
Sam, are you free later? By the way,
later. How later?
Like about just after 6. Just after 6:30. Sorry.
Maybe.
What am I looking for? Look.
Okay.
I'm stealing the power cable off my Vigilon.
Where is my can of Savorino? Here it is.
Savorino.
There we are. I have a feeling that's going to go off as well, but... Right, so that's gone off. The zone 2 LED is lighting up.
The one thing I don't like about...
oh, there we are.
Yeah, I think it's the fuse in the plug that's done it. It's not doing the same as the fuses in the panel.
Well, that makes sense then, why they weren't turning on.
But it means I need to find another mains power plug. I don't know what more there are.
Stop coughing, James.
Oh, sorry, I've just inhaled a ridiculous amount of smoke saver.
Yeah, my Morley sends on.
By the way, this XP95 optical detector here is from 1999.
Yeah, it's quite an old one then.
It's the
What's
oldest.
it like on the back?
It's the oldest one I have. It's just got the old Apollo logo on it, just like that.
Okay.
It looks no different. It's just.
I've got loads of those opticals of the old Apollo logo. I think Matthew has a few as well because I gave him a couple.
Take one.
Yeah, they're easy to find. They're not difficult to find at all. I want to get a zone monitor for Apollo Protocol because it would be funny to put something like this on this panel.
Seems slightly ridiculous though. When you could just have, you could just have an Apollo, a conventional panel.
Yeah, all like that.
Yeah. Okay.
But I'm pretty sure they made addressable versions of those, didn't they?
Yeah, it's Series 90, but not the Mark II. Oh, I could even put this on it.
Well, I found another mains power plug I could use.
Yeah, try that one.
Or I could just put the fuse from that one in there if it works.
Yeah, that's one thing also I need to check on that Chubb panel that is whether that thing's got any blown fuses in it.
What Chubb panel?
I thought I already checked it there.
It's a weird thing that Matt's lent me a couple panels to
This
diagnose.
fuse is good. I can put that in the plug and use that. It is definitely a fuse in the plug then, by the looks of it.
Well,
Yeah.
hopefully.
Hopefully.
Let's try it. Let's try it again. See if the panel actually powers on fully.
Well, the one issue I am hearing now is the fact that you have drained the batteries for the XFP.
Can't I recharge it?
Well, with the XFP, yeah. If you want to just stick them in the XFP and turn it on so they charge up.
Can I use a conventional panel instead, seeing as I haven't powered any of those?
Oh yeah, no, you can use any panel. I'm not going to dictate what panel you use.
No, it's still not powering on though.
Oh.
Oh, hang on, it is powering on.
Both of them powered on by the sounds of it.
Let's see about that. Yeah, both of them lit up.
Oh, very good. It's good that it was just a fuse then.
Is that going to charge these batteries as well?
Yeah, it should do.
In that case, I will.
They're both going to start beeping now, mind.
Okay.
Right. On that note, I'm happy with what I've done here. I've got my system up and going now. I am going to have to shoot because I've got an important. Been good joining you. Good to get this panel set up. I will hopefully be joining back on another live stream soon. Someone else. Bye.
You can still help me, right, Sam?
Yeah, I can help you.
Good. You have experience on these panels.
Oh, I've got loads of experience, mate.
What was that? There's two buzzers on it then.
Are you sure that's not your conventional panel?
I didn't power on any other panel except for.
What panel is that?
No, it's obviously. It's got to be the Morley, I'm sure.
The buzzer sounds too clean to be a Morley.
It's a repeater panel. Yeah, I've got to connect to that.
Oh. It's probably complaining because it hasn't been learnt onto the network. You can just disconnect the repeater for now because.
At least the repeater works.
Oh, my ancillary base works. Never tested this before. For some reason it won't silence. I can't get the panel to silence, oh dear. Oh, there we go.
You know, I'm glad I switched to using this.
Oh, the panel's... Panel won't shut up. Silence. Silence. Can you hear that? The ancillary base won't stop.
Yeah. I think they're known to not stopping.
What if I reset? It's stopped now that I've reset.
I'll try and reconnect the CSEC batteries so they can charge.
the buzzers are ringing in harmony. You can, I think you can, remute those buzzers.
I don't know how to do that.
There's a mute buzzer button.
I've already tried that thousands of times already.
It probably wants you to put the code in. So just get your batteries connected and we can close the door and start putting the codes in. Oh, one of them's in commission mode already.
Oh. Yeah.
Okay, so if you just click free twice on the top one.
One of them just said short circuit on sounder circuit. And what do I do? How do you factory reset these? I'm guessing it hasn't.
Hang on, somebody's at my front door. I'll be back in a minute.
God's sakes.
Back. So
what's going on in the sounder circuit?
if you unplug, you see the terminal blocks. Which panel has the sounder circuit short?
The top one.
Okay, so if you see the terminal blocks on the bottom of the PCB.
Which terminal blocks?
On the bottom of the PCB.
Where?
Near the batteries, you see those are there, the terminal blocks. The green things. You see that second one?
What second one?
The second to... Oh, if you're looking at the left of the board, the second terminal block from the after the first one, from the right of the board.
I still okay.
You can probably take the batteries off the big ones. If it... So, you see that directly in front of the camera, like smack dab in the middle of the camera, there's a terminal block, the green thing.
This terminal block?
Well, the one next to it.
This one then?
Yeah, pull it off and that should fix the short. It's okay to do it live because there's no voltage when the sounders aren't going. There's two of them. Just pull them both off and it should fix the short. It won't go away immediately. It'll probably take a bit. But so if you click the check mark, we'll auto learn it first. I'm assuming you've got Apollo devices on that top one.
Yeah, just the top one.
So if you click the check mark, hold on, I'm going to shut my Morley up because it's complaining. Okay, so the top one you've hit the put 1, 2, 3, 4 in. Then there you go. If you actually you got to put the right enable switch on the top one as well. So you remember the brown switch that you did on the bottom one? Do that on the top one as well. Why does my Morton keep beeping? So you can probably mute the buzzer now on the top one. Okay, so now if you go to commission,
Commission where? Number 1?
just click 1, yeah. And the code is 9898. No, did it miss it? Did it miss a button? Yeah, you can't undo type. Just enter a wrong code, it'll error out, and then you can redo the code. Yeah, password invalid. So if you just click 1 again, then do 9898. Okay, there we go. Now click 1. 1 again, and then click 3.
Well,
now click the check mark. Is the same program running?
How do I know?
Does it say program running?
No.
What does it say on the screen?
Oh wait, it says it here.
Yeah, okay. There you go. So it's auto learning right now. So hopefully it should find the Apollo devices.
Is this in a way going to factory reset it?
Well, it's not going to factory reset it, but if we want to factory reset it, that does have some caveats, and it will be a bit difficult. If we're going to factory reset it, I'd rather do it off stream on a Discord call.
Devices. It's where 2 call points, 1 detector, and 1 sounder.
Is that correct?
Yeah.
Okay, good. So you can just click the X button now a couple of times.
This one?
Yep, that one. Just click it until you get back to the main menu, or where it says configure, inspect, all that.
This main menu? No.
Just press the X button a bunch of times.
What about now?
Okay, what menu are you on now? Okay, you're on the correct menu. Now click 3.
3?
Yeah, click 3. Now click it again.
Get to lock the memory?
Yeah, you just click 3 again.
5 on 5? Now.
Is it asking you for the time?
Yeah.
You don't have to enter the time, just click the check mark a couple times. Click it again.
No, looks like it was removed on March 2025.
Yeah, that's probably when it was removed. Beeping again. I think you can mute the buzzer since you're accessed. It might want you to put the 1234 code in again.
What?
So if you activate a device now, it should work.
Do you think? What does this mean? Can't disabled?
I have no idea actually, but that we probably will have to factory reset it. But I'd rather do that on a Discord call rather than on stream.
Why on Discord?
Because it's just easier. Because I can make your camera bigger on Discord. I can't do it on the stream.
I see. Well, now what?
So if you want, you can set it off for the stream.
Okay. Well,
just
let's go again.
bear in mind you're going to have to put the code in, so the alarms may be going for a bit.
Well, I hope this bass sound isn't too loud.
Well, I think you can probably turn it down with a screwdriver if it's too loud while it's going off. Just take the detector off.
Fuck it. It's not doing anything.
That's probably what the disablement is then. It's probably the sounders. So if you just click silence.
It's easier to do it from the repeater.
Is the repeater working?
Well, it's powered on, so it should be.
But that's not doing anything. You need to we need to configure the repeater first. So if you just do it from there, just click silence. It may ask you for the password. If it asks you for the password, it's not. There you go. It's not asked you for the password. Just reset. Do system reset now. You can probably mute the buzzer, so it's not annoying you. You might need to press when you're muting the buzzer on panels. You might need to press it a couple of times. On the bottom panel, we can get the buzzer to stop there as well. If we show me the bottom panel, if you click free a couple of times, like we did before, to exit out of commissioning mode. Just click free again. Now you can click the check mark to go through the memory. It's a time thing. You can also see when it was removed.
Same as...
Yeah, you can just click the check mark again. When it gets to the main screen, just click mute buzzer and it should mute the buzzer. Then you can mute the top one as well if it looks like a new fault has appeared. The faults on the bottom one have just appeared as well. There we go. Silence.
How does that happen then?
Because we were in commission mode before, both of the panels were beeping to remind you that you're in commission mode. So we took them out of commission mode, and now we can silence the buzzers. But I can probably take you through factory defaulting one of the panels. So let's I won't exactly. So I'm going to be looking at my own panel while telling you what to do. So I've got a reference. So what on the screen currently, you're on like just the info thing showing you what's going on. If you click check mark,
why does it say ions? Why does it say ion smoke? There's no ion smoke on this.
What is it saying?
You're not seeing this.
Ion smoke.
Yeah.
It's probably
that one's meant to be an optical though.
That's probably its old configuration.
Why do I need to factory reset it, don't I?
So yeah, okay. So I'll take you for factory resetting it now. In fact, let me get me phone so you can see what I'm doing.
Yeah. Well, you've changed your camera a bit.
Yeah, it's just green. Just give it a second. Okay, can you see my camera?
Yeah, you can.
Okay, so looking at the Morley, this is the screen we're on currently. I'm going to put the code in.
Can't actually see that very well.
So it's this. I'm on the menu that has commission, test, time, enable, disable. Just the menu. So if you click the check mark on yours, you should be able to get to that.
Or the top one?
It's up to you what panel you want to do it on.
Well, which one's best?
Let's do it on the Apollo one first. So that one. In fact, do you want to go on a Discord call so the cameras are clearer? Because the cameras are usually clearer while on Discord.
Are they? Okay, well. I don't know how to... Well, I do know how to see that during the stream, but even during New Year's Eve, it was quite complicated.
Just say thanks for watching, and we'll pick up on this in another stream, maybe.
You think I only regretted that little act after I got confronted, but I don't know. I feel I was regretting it before that as well. Except hearing the story about the EMR turbo stars, that was pretty good. That's the only reason I didn't regret it.
Yeah.
But how should I continue? I mean, if I'm going to be ending the stream now, how should I revise this in a second stream? I mean,
yeah, well, so we can revise this in a second stream, where we can continue with the Morleys.
Yeah, that might work. But I guess I'm surprised I came this far anyway, because I barely got the ZX5SE running as it was, Certainly not in this amount of time.
Yeah, well, I'm
Despite it
here,
being a
I'm
bit
here to help you get it
lucky,
working. So,
yeah, I appreciate that. But I'm gonna, I guess, temporarily end this stream now until I might come back with another one featuring this. Well, see you.